Attention all users. This is the season finale of the no jump obby. After this, it will be replaced. So, hope you enjoy. This is a production of Maine Public Broadcasting Network. Previously on the Werewolf Family, the people Angie tried. Wait. Hold on. Difficulties. Please stand by. Okay, never mind about the name. Previously on the Werewolf Family, Rosie tried to win, but she failed. And difficulties again. Please stand by. And also, Samantha tried to beat the Obby, but she failed. And Andrew tried to win, but he kept slipping off the map. So who will win? Which werewolves could win this time? Let's find out in No Jump Obby. Hey guys, welcome back. And today these werewolves will try to win, because previously they failed. So let's see which werewolf could win. Could it be Rosie or Samantha? Let's find out. And it's laggy. Why is my server? You're not. Hold on. Difficulties. Tablet. Okay, sorry about the difficulties. So let's just. Oh no, it's still laggy. What's wrong with my server? What's wrong with this account? Not everything loaded. The game's laggy. It's not working. Seriously, I moved it and it's still not working. Ah! So who will win in this game?
I failed.
Hey Rosie.
What happened?
Who do you think will win?
I think I will win.
You mean Rosie the werewolf?
I jumped off for the 65th time.
What? I'm on stage 55 now.
I'm on stage 50. We're 5 stages away.
Wait, do you want me to wait for you?
Yes, please, Alexander.
Okay. But watch out with stage 54. Stage 54 is too slippery. So be careful. You got it?
No, you!
Want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Oh.
So we must stop at... No, don't talk right now. That's difficult. Sorry about that. That was difficult. Another difficulties once again. Okay. And I have 161 oops. How many?
So many oops.
Where are you? What stage are you still in?
51. I need help.
Okay.
It's so hard.
It's easy, just walk.
Did you oof me, Alexander?
Oh no, it's hard.
I told you.
Oh no. I'm not really good at this. Gotta be careful. Whoa. I'm not really smart at this game because I'm not used to this game anymore.
Just walk fast. I guess.
Let me try. Guys, difficulties once again.